So hi there, Bunkie Ben again with Kris here, who's the contractor on the build for the Haven, as you can see behind us. So just want to run through a couple questions with him and chat with him about the Bunkie process and everything about that.
Sounds good.
So just how has it been working through our instructions, working with Bunkie, getting it on site on time? Any questions you might have had for us?
Everything about the process of it being delivered and being on time was great. Like it was right on mark with what the schedule said. So that
Excellent.
was all great. Instructions were way more clear than they have been in the past.
Great to
Not
hear.
not to say with Bunkie Life that is, but other bunkies that we've done.
Yeah. Yep.
So pretty self-explanatory, quite easy to work with.
Perfect. Perfect. And then how do you find working with our materials, our the wood that we give you, the foundation, actually the foundation instructions in particular?
Super easy, super easy to follow the directions if
Yeah.
illustrations are there for you.
Okay, excellent. And your guys look like they're having a good time actually putting the bunkie together.
Oh yeah, they love it.
Yeah,
We all
great.
love it.
How long would you say that this bunkie is taking to build from start to finish here?
Probably like there's a couple add-ons like we burn all the wood for the flooring or shusugi band for the wood, so that added a couple hours, probably like 2 hours of burn
Okay.
time. But with a four-man crew, I'd say 14 to 16 hours total.
Great, great. That's excellent feedback. Well, thank you very much, Kris, and keep on going.
Awesome, thank you.